Are you having trouble deciding which function to use for your loop? Well, look no further. Today I'm going to be discussing the three different types of functions, and we're going to be doing this in C++. A loop is something that goes around, while the function executes that loop by going down to the bottom of the block of code and then going back up and executing that. Loop functions are made under conditionals that the programmer executes. And it's important to note it's not an if-else statement, because an if-else statement executes one block of code versus the other block of code. It only does this once, while a loop function does this for a block of code as long as the condition is met. This is why we sometimes run into infinite loops. But as long as you do your conditional right so that it never ends, you don't have to run into that problem. So the three main types of loops are going to be for loops, while loops, and do-while loops. For loops are special in that they have a conditional at the beginning, and then they also have a while this statement right after that. As long as that's met, they execute a block of code underneath it. While loops are pretty much the same thing. They have a conditional, but it's different in that it pretty often only has one conditional happening, and then it has a block of code after that. And they're pretty self-explanatory. They say while this condition is met, this block of code will run. Do-while loops are distinct from while loops and for loops because they actually run a block of code before having to go through a loop. So a loop is never executed if the conditional is not met, unless it's a do-while loop. So if you're trying to get a block of code, do a do-while loop. Here are my citations for my images, and if you want to learn more, there are some really great resources out there. All you have to do is pretty much Google it. Thanks for listening to my slidecast.